everyone, so in this video I will show you how to connect your GeoServer to your PostgreSQL and then publish the data from a specific database. Okay, so for that you need to come into your C drive and then you need to go into the GeoServer, and then from the bin folder you need to run the batch file. When you run the batch file, startup batch file, it will take some minutes to load the libraries, and then after that, as all the libraries will be loaded, you can go into your Google and then you can type localhost 8080 GeoServer. So after some minutes it will start running in your Google. As you will come into the GeoServer homepage, so you firstly need to log in. I have also told you in the last video that there are some default credentials which are that you need to write admin and GeoServer in username and password, and then this is the main homepage, welcome page. I have explained this in the overview video. You can see it in my playlist. Then firstly you need to create a workspace. You can find the workspace option under data tab. You firstly workspace is just like a container. Okay, so you need to click on create new workspace. Then you can give a name to your workspace and also a placeholder, or you can say the URI for your specific workspace. Okay, so then you need to click on save. You can see that a new workspace has created in your workspaces list, and then after that you need to again go into the data tab and then you need to create a store. Okay, so in store we will connect our GeoServer to our PostgreSQL. Okay, so there are multiple options, multiple data sources. So for now I am going to connect to PostGIS. Okay, so after clicking on PostGIS, there will be a page for new vector data source. Okay, so in this page you need to give some information. Firstly you need to select the workspace you just have created. As in my case, I created Lahore mapping. I have created a workspace with the name of Lahore mapping, so I need to select it from here, and then you need to give a name. Okay, data source name. You can give any kind of name here. After that you need to give some more information to connect to PostgreSQL. So there are multiple boxes here. You need to give the name of your database to which you want to connect from your PostgreSQL. Okay, so as in my case I have a database with the name of import test, so I need to write the name import test here. Okay, in the database, because it will connect to that database exactly. After that we need to give the username and password of your our Postgres server. Okay, so you need to give your username and password, and then after giving all the information you need to click on save. As you will click on save, you will come on another page automatically. So this is the page with the name of new layer. Okay, as you will scroll down on this page, you can see an option to publish your layer. So you need to click on publish button. Okay, so you need to click on publish. So as you will click on publish, you will land it to a new page. This is the edit layer page. Okay, so there are multiple options, and in this page the first tab is of data tab. So there is two important options you need to fill here, which is of calculating the bounding box. Okay, so what GeoServer is doing here, it is basically calculating the coordinates from your shapefile automatically from your table from data, and then the next option is calculate from your native data. Okay, so after that you need to click on publishing page. In that you can give a style to your layer, whatever style you want to give, but in my case I am going with the default design. Okay, after that you need to click on save. As you will click on save, you can see that in the left panel one layer has appeared. Okay, so you need to click on that layer with the which is now with the name of Lahore. Okay, so we need to click on Lahore. As you will click on Lahore, a new page will open with multiple formats. Okay, so as I clicked in Lahore, I can see that there are multiple options in, or you can see the formats in which I can publish my data. So for now I am clicking on open layers to publish my data in open layers. So that's it for today.